back in business. Damn, I miss this car. I'm so glad to have it back. So, got the alternator replaced. In that last video where I was saying I was taking it to my mechanic to drop it off, I cut my video short right as I was making the turn into my mechanic. It's a wonderful place called Sexton's, and it's an old Exxon gas station, and they specialize in Volvos and Volkswagens, but they know how to work on Benzes and Mercedes, Lexus and BMW. Two brothers on it. Great guys. Sexton's Automotive. If anybody watches that, I know I have such a small audience, but if anybody's in the North Georgia area, if you're in Chattanooga, Tennessee, north of Atlanta, it's worth it to bring your import car to these guys because their labor rates are so good. I just knew that this alternator would cost $600 or $700, $500 if I was lucky. I had shopped around on eBay and looked around. Remanufactured ones were $150 to $200, and then I was gonna have to put it on. And new ones were $300 and $400. I just wanted to go over the bill. Okay, so I told them, since this was an older car, Sexton's Automotive, great guys. I told them, I said, look, this is an older car. I don't want to, don't put a brand new Lexus alternator on there. Find a reman. So they did, remanufactured. $194.54. Labor, where is it? Okay, $119. So after taxes and everything, $333.53. So I'm sorry, that to me is freaking dirt cheap. For once, the labor is much less than the cost of the part. So yeah, can't complain with that. My battery light's gone, all systems go, and this baby's ready to hit the road again. So I am just thrilled about that. And I got my new tags today. So I gotta come out here and put my new dealer plate on, because this one has expired. It's been raining here in Georgia. We're finally getting some rain. I mean, it's been blistering hot for days, but it's been raining for the past 24 hours. I mean, the streets are dry right now, but it's rained half the day today, and it's supposed to start back up tonight. But whenever it rains or gets wet, you can see what this rear bumper does. I mean, the paint just bubbles up. Terrible. Such a terrible paint job on this bumper. I guess when this bumper was repainted, I don't know if it was just not properly sanded, or, I mean, I'm not a paint guy, so I don't know. But I mean, this is pitiful. So bad. This is kind of ghetto, but I put a piece of white tape over the big black mark I had right there. But it's starting to look just bad everywhere. So I've got to see about getting that thing sanded and redone, because that's just terrible. And I really wish I could find some used emblems to get rid of that stupid. I hate the gold stuff. I just don't like the gold stuff. I may just debadge it. That's what I might do. I would want to find me the chrome strip for here, because I don't think I ought to. And the chrome Lexus. But get rid of that and get rid of that. I don't know. What y'all think? Anyway, got the Mercedes cleaned up. Don't mean to be flipping scripts on you, but got it all cleaned up and washed and detailed. Looking good. Still got the little problem with it, but I'm waiting for my brake switch. It should be here today, actually. Well, let's go check the mail real quick. This video was supposed to be about the Lexus, and that's it, but what the hell. Are they throwing those chairs away? Yep, there's my part. Cool. My part, no, wait. Here's my part. God. Okay, cool. So I got my brake switch. I'll be replacing the brake switch in the bins tomorrow, so that BAS and ABS lights will, they're very periodic, coming on and off, so, but that should fix that problem. You know, there's no real ill effects when the lights come on, except for the fact the brake lights do not illuminate when those warning lights are on. So that's very dangerous, of course. So anyway, gonna get that fixed tomorrow. And we'll see you next time. Y'all have a good evening. Peace. Joe's Golden Garage here. Come out to our little favorite gardening spot. We got okra? Yeah. Hell yeah. I told you, I made a bet that something would start coming up. Let's see what we got here.
Okra, some of it's not.
Oh, okay. Here at our community garden.
These are okras, right?
Yep, those are our little okras.
Those are not the little butterfly looking ones.
But these butterfly ones are weeds. Oh, well, good. Well, I'm glad the okra germinated. Look at that little pepper plant in the middle.
I know.
He lost all his leaves. I don't think he's going to make it.
Squash?
That could be squash. Yeah, that could be the first little squash. Boy, we're going to have fun keeping up with these little pissant weeds, aren't we? Our cucumbers aren't looking so hot. See y'all next time. Peace.